Colleen Davis, and I'm the mayor of Santa Monica. Without its strong economy, Santa Monica wouldn't be the city that we're all proud to call home.
We have almost 10,000 businesses employing 90,000 workers. They contribute $3.2 billion to the general fund, and they gave $16 million to our schools.
I've been here with the Lobster for almost 20 years, 16 years as a waiter, winning the Thelma Parks Award, and then now I have ascended to being the general manager. To have that kind of a relationship with the community doesn't happen without everyone working together and without everyone believing in each other.
It's businesses that provide the infrastructure for life here. It's what's helped to create the vibrancy here. And part of why everyone wants to be in this town is because of our exciting businesses, the places to go out, the places to eat, the retail that exists here. It's what provides people with all the wonderful opportunities.
As co-chair of the Chamber's Young Professionals Committee and an incoming member of the Board of Directors, I understand the importance of how young professionals drive our business community. I have my own business in Santa Monica, and I'm truly grateful to have been embraced by the Chamber and the business community.
Our businesses, large and small, support local nonprofits and charities. Because of this involvement, our nonprofits are able to do more and give more.
Are you working on anything we might be able to help you with? Looking for housing, work? We're out here on the beach helping people who are experiencing homelessness. Last year we helped 321 people reconnect with their families, and about 682 people we helped get into programs. And by working together with businesses, we get to help more people. Business powers our community.
I've been volunteering for 30 years at the Westside Food Bank. Every year, 5 million pounds of free, nutritious food is distributed to our community. These services would simply not be possible without the support of the business community.
Not only do Santa Monicans enjoy living here, they enjoy patronizing our local businesses so that everyone in Santa Monica can thrive.
So really the bottom line is, in order to have a thriving community, we must have a thriving economic base. And we want to thank our businesses for all that they do to help give us the kind of beautiful, diverse city that we all get to play, work, and live in. Thank you.
Thank you! Thank you, Santa Monica.
Oh my goodness, thank you.
Thank you, Santa Monica.
Thank you!
Thank you!
Thank you, Santa Monica!